A few years ago, I made the first version of the tool car that's inspired by Adam Savage's tool car. This tool car is different from his version in the sense that not only does it have all the holes to place the tool, I also add some space in between to fully utilize the space to store some other stuff. However, this also comes with the shortage that whenever I need to reach into these spaces, I'm blocked by these tools. Unless I remove this tool, that I'm able to freely reach into these spaces. So originally, I built the upgraded version of this tool car. Not only does it have more tool spaces, it also fully utilizes the spaces by those tools that coming out from the sideway, which resolve all the issues I mentioned in the first version. My name is Alex. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I built this upgraded version of tool car. Please stay tuned and let's get into it. A few years ago, I watched a YouTube video where Adam Savage introduced his tool car, and I was immediately impressed by the design.
It's part of two things. One is, I have talked about this before in relation to the toolboxes, my ILM toolboxes, which the poster's up now for the promo, but I came up with a process which I refer to as first order retrieval.
I loved the concept so much that I decided to build my own version of it. In my first design, I made improvement in two key areas where I felt Adam's car fell short. First, the structure of his tool car seemed a bit flimsy. You can see in his video that the car wobbles when being touched. Likely because he used thinner plywood. I believe using thicker wood would have made it sturdier. Second, I noticed there was a lot of wasted space in his design, as well as many others online. The gaps between the two rows of tools was essentially unused space, which could be optimized. So I built my own modified tool car and addressed those issues by adding some internal storage room to make use of those empty spaces. I love the tool car. It makes all my smaller tools easily accessible and visible, so I can quickly find what I need. However, even with this design, I've identified a couple of shortcomings. The first shortcoming is that in the first design, I have several layers in this tool car. And when all the tools are stored in place, they basically block the way if I want to access into these internal spaces. So I'm going to improve on that. The second shortcoming is that when I was building this tool car, I was in a hurry, so I did a pretty sloppy job on drilling these tool holes inserts. Specifically, for example, if I want to put in this wrench, it falls off so easily. So I think in the new design, I'm going to improve on that. Below, let me walk you through how I made the second version of this tool car. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, the plans is also for sale on my own website and on Etsy. I'll put a link in the description in case if you want to follow along.
清晨设计一片花瓣，给一些历史花园的香甜。清风摇曳我的忧愁消散， 轻抚我心轻跳。花朵盛开，懂了甜的语言，光与影交错在这一瞬间，蝴蝶飞舞追逐梦的线条，世界静止，只剩我们。夏日花园，我们的记忆，花开世界轻声音，秘密，在那无尽的绿意之中，找到遗忘已久的梦。夜晚来临，画册曾闪烁，星空下的诗句悄然诉说。我们依偎在这花上环抱，听着静秘密暗自发酵，走在夏日的花园里，我们牵手不分离，心跳同步凝望彼此眼睛，这份爱永远不停息。夏日花园，我们的记忆，花开世界轻声音，秘密，在那无尽的绿意之中，找到遗忘已久的梦。Dusty frame holding stories, ain't no glory. Smiles on gone, faded shades of our glory. Old mental relic, memories ain't elastic. Time hold the picture, cracked lens plastic. Edges one thin, light screenplay sin. Eyebrows raised, old days back then. Whisper whispers, echoes in the room linger. Frozen flashbacks, time's cold finger. Faded photo, heart shifts slow-mo. Remnants of us, hazy lines in the glow. Stories untold, through tears unfold. Silence speaks loud in the warmth of old gold. Eyes on the past, trying to make it last. Time a thief, memories slip fast. Sunlight kiss in the corner, shadows and day. Each frame a reminder, we're just a fade away. Regrets and dreams, what once gleamed. Ghosts in the smiles, last tattered seams. Lessons learned in the cracks discerned, years to burn, memories return. Faded photo, heart shifts slow-mo. Remnants of us, hazy lines in the glow. Stories untold, through tears unfold. Silence speaks loud in the warmth of old gold. 阳光洒在沙滩上，我们手牵着手，清凉的海风吹来，烦恼都抛到脑后。音乐在耳边响起，心情随之舞动。这个夏天的旅行是我们的梦。夏日的旅程让我们忘记所有，阳光和海浪让爱情自由流动。在这美丽的时光，我们勇敢追逐，一起探索这世界，爱无限延续。夜晚的星空璀璨，我们坐在篝火旁，诉说着心底的秘密，笑声响彻夜空。天边的霞光溅起，新的一天来临。这个夏天的故事永远记在心中。夏日的旅程让我们忘记所有，阳光和海浪让爱情自由流。
So the plan for this tool card is also for sale on both my website and on Etsy. I'll put the links in the description of this video such that you can follow along. If you follow this far, that means you are also very interested in this kind of a topic. I'm using my free time to shoot video like this, and I'm hoping this provides helpful information for you. I would really appreciate your support if you can become one of my patrons, or you can simply buy me a coffee. I'll put the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next one.
吻上我们的脸，新的冒险在召唤，跟着心的跳动，不论前方有。